aharisha munana zihangwe Ismaibare w'emyaka 34 enjaro ya Rwakakoore omuri Isingiro yareeta omumisho g'omuramuzi wa kooti y'idara ly'okubanza Egwang Bermos Opio okushomerwa emishango ye ya 23 okurugira ahari charge sheet Ayebare akiha abantu 23 sente eziri hagati y'emitwaro 5 kuhika emitwaro 20 arikubagira ngu naija kubataha rukarara rw'okutunga miliyoni 1 ya PDM.
320,000 Uganda shillings from Katushabe by falsely pretending that you are going to include Katushabe's name on the list of people to receive Uganda shillings 1 million, the PDM operated on the motor cash as well.
Bwanyuma yo kushomerwa emishango 23 Ayebare yona yagihakana nuko ekoti kushanga Ayebare atine bema ati omuramuzi niko kumusindika omu nkomo okusiya 2012 by'okwa munana 2024.
14th August, you are remanded to central prison until when you appear before this court for next one of the case.
Natasha Maria mugambirizi wa State House Anti-Corruption Unit yashobora hanshonga eji.
This PDM money, the procedure is straight and the money is there. So people should not be intimidated or forced or harassed to give their chairpersons or agents any money. As long as you're registered and the rightful beneficiary, you're supposed to get the money, and the money is supposed to directly come to you. So don't be lied to that bring this amount of money, we put you on the list, or bring this amount of money, we hope to get the money. No.
Adolf Faireka, TV West.